Nice one.
Abusua panyin Samuel Champo.
Richard Pepe shall arrest the fellow man.
And Maya Jumabi Ediama. Me sauce here. Edia free Kofi Tompuo. The story started here. The story will continue here to end here.
Fantastic.
Kofi Tompuo. Some catchers are 3 teams out Ghana. And we're interested in the service of Kofi Tompuo. Aduana Football Club. Our Doma.
Yeah.
Taco based Midiema. Esomodene CAF Champions League. Krobia Asante Kotoko Metema. Director of football. Opinion at the Menzo Stanley. I say about building a trial of a midfield be. Na ehun akono ho be true. Enti our plans at the ma abranche. Abuja panyi.
Yes sir.
Ehwa ye de ewo bechem. Ghana football me se me mpa ne se sika eba bechem. Nanka Kofi Tompuo me ba boska bi so akere wo. Yes, we had $200,000 call. I'm rejected. I did check Kotoko the 350 call. I'm so money house at the fort. Now Kotoko Zubi, I don't know so 600. Now Scababo, non credit. No matter how. Your ball league give you a penny. Play some in born body. Omuko, Wamukuzu Omoko. Now your income, Asante Kotoko interest in Kofi Tompuo. Makacho say, director of football. And it at the Stanley Menzo. Watch videos or requesting for further videos. Watch we requesting for further videos. Ninya wenya. I was a pay mami fan to him Kotoko. Who's a ope? Me no tell you better apply to the Ghana Football Association. Matches now amateurs. Who's a GFA cameraman who go chat.
Yeah.
But I request you pay a certain amount. Kotoko a says he can add videos of Kofi Tompuo the amateurs so live.
Wow.
Ama Stanley Mo Ashe, and they came to the conclusions that branch. I was not one here no Asante Kotoko.
Woo.
Can some of the cultures of Kotoko prepare an offer at the offer Kofi Tompuo. Now, a Diana Football Club at the first offer at the Akoma team and the team at the Bechem United. A Diana Football Club at an amount of 300,000 Ghana cedis. 300,000 Ghana cedis and counted to 3 billion. On arrival, a Drew Yana Bechem from 9 left to say a born Galloway. So Adriana the first offer of 300,000 Ghana cedis. Eko Bechem. 300 young fans saw the young fans $30,000. Midiama Sporting Club. Almost a power branch of Japan. Omodi Achire. Midiama had an offer of 400,000 that can rise to 450,000 Ghana cedis.
Wow.
Adi Akobechem 4.5 billion old cities, no. Abjapani.
Yes, sir.
Bechem for no. Oma money at 4.5 billion. Asante Kotoko offer n'enkoye, but Kotoko's intended offer is bigger than her 2 offers here. Abjapani.
Woo.
Sporting director of football at the Asante Kotoko. Mekacho also was sanctioned $50,000 to prosecute that transfer. And Papano onimi esika ntono onkasa in cities.
Yeah.
But on share Kofi Tompuo quality no. And about to a conclusion say a player like Kofi Tompuo ono de wahwe no nkwa no. So a policy branch 1 season ka ho. No nya 2 seasons there. Or a player obetim the room our Dutch Eredivisie. No kwa ono obeje no less than $800,000. And if Kotoko should invest $50,000 for him, it is not on the higher side. But who boss can buy any anymore? Now you be and I was paying $50,000. No, Mr. Kotoko offering young koi, but I am bigger than both Adriana and Midiama offer because Kotoko diano 50,000 no, about 600,000 Ghana cedis. Kotoko diano about me Dubai 600,000 Ghana cedis.
Yes.
And Asante Kotoko interest in Kofi Tompuo, it is still alive. Asante Kotoko's intended offer to Bechem are bigger than the 300,000 Domadiana Stars Ediako. Are bigger than the $450,000 Mediama Ediako. But Kotoko Diana Enkoy.
Okay.
Kotoko saw an added advantage I told you the other day.
Yes.
Kotoko ekofa Francis Akwa efri bechem.
Yeah.
Francis Akwa no oye kingpin ewo bechem. Oduru bechem na maka cho say me tese okra besa akwa out. Okay, so okra besa free Ghana.
Wow.
Se okra kwa nasa branch the din ade Francis Akwa wa oye the next captain ade ma team and din ade Bechem United. And so Kotoko can trade. You do the trade off and you add cash. And two betters you say remember the ready to player plus cash offer. What they call Kotoko should consider player plus cash offer because Kotoko Patrick do know. So extending the contract up for a very long time. The left back Francis Akwa training chira obetra wa che. Ye bia no obetra wa na the contract unu amobimpo. Don't waste his talent. Use him as part of the deal. Ebema sika no omoji nti if Kotoko values the boy at $50,000 for instance. Now Kotoko value Francis Akwa at $20,000. And just Kotoko $30,000 and ebeko. Now I simple at the amount. And we expect that Asante Kotoko still it pushes her deal of the penny. One more and a lady when it comes to a brand and the Kofi Tompuo. My Kofi Tompuo.
Original fella man.
I push a place of a champ.
Pepe Suarez.
My Ingram.
Nice one.
Now they are only brain Tiana. Yeah, heavy. I'm Japan.
Pepe Suarez.
Asante Kotoko, director of football. Stanley Menzo. First Stanley Menzo eto evidino so emamwate. Stanley Menzo of Japan. Owura no ebaye. Wo bae no ba bi otu de nan si wo kura mu bia meka kire o. Ebra okọ baba sports stadium. Okọ adako jachi.
Yes.
Some catch us yes sporto no, your camera sporto no obuase. Okọ obuase. In the company of Kotoko's administrative manager. And Dr. Kwam Banyako no nko.
Yeah.
And I catch us we share players na mpa o share players no.
Yeah.
Oni omo ye meeting wie no. And owura no e catch the board no say baby I doing the videos and obehwe. But on person okoboa no ho e de eba. And otia ne na chi and okoboa no. Kotoko's date for a start of preseason with the amount that say 18th of July. We are
8th of July.
We are 10 days away from Asante Kotoko.
Wow.
Now, sir, 18th for the press report here. One of screening medicals. Medicals and screening. Omo we are. Adia chikosi adana still medicals and screening number 2. Sada niabo worker final 2026 worker final. Okay. 19th. Ye we are Monday na busapanyi one ebe start aye omo pre season no.
Fantastic.
Na ba shas ye 18th na coach ma ye. Na Stanley ma ye ya bawrum abusapanyi sa me champo.
Pepe Suarez.
Asante Kotoko football director. Nyame ya doma. Enkwa nkwasi weekend die. Na Stanley asanso a drop e okuro no.
Wow.
Adia ba ko a delay no ana busu panyime na wo chei. Initially na Kotoko efa omu coach no or your former Ajax. In fact, I hear he's still working for Ajax, but who's okwa Ajax ayo coaches ni bebrebe, not the main coach no. Omu other coaches bebrebe wo. They said they know twado trainer scout Dortmund.
Yes.
We obi o Ajax Stanley Menzo na tete no. Ono na nka Stanley ene baba ya Asante Kotoko adwuma no. Abusua sikasa no ba bi o gina no ba bi Kotoko gina no. Emuwa.
Wow.
Emuwa te say ekuna na da Lazarus eni skani ne ntem no. Emuwa. Enti sad deal na busapanyi. The Dutch coach will not come.
Woo.
But a South African coach. So it is a Stanley Menzo. And a South African be a wura mining. No more wura kumasia. Me pacho ye di unkomo ediacho. The it is a South African in Japan. Or you will be a onyani training ewo Ajax tienie pa. South African coach e kana semi. In fact, what Netherlands kronum kakra. On Stanley Menzo ewo some relationship.
Okay.
But he's a South African, but he has lived a lot of his life ewo Netherlands. Ono ena sesei obaba ya Asante Kotoko dwuma no. Enti nkomodie eguso a ekoso but na me ka che say no excuse for the delay in the appointment of the coach. The board has had ample time. They've had more than enough time. And for me, now a delay maybe. Kotoko will cut off some players, but the less abroad the many oh, say you in Ababaswa. Coach, any director of sports, one and a best edgeman. The earlier was a penny almost started edgeman. The better it will be for Timono now or more iron wojuma. I wish I play some example.
Pepe shall raise the original fella man.
And now I can't send bitch now. I mean, Sisubi. I say, oh, Cotos or Tom for 9 years, a Bobby pow, 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 pow. That's a Huyano.
Yes.
And Penny so say about so bow and a major pie.
Yes.
Ninja saying about what the amounts of pie jada. So, your Kumano.
Wouldn't wedge.
Oh, yeah. Judy Susana. One she not win a boss with me, bones. Yes. Dear one side, yet there's a boss another show. I there's a net there. Yeah,
Pepe shall raise.
Go ahead. I'm the person of example.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Lord Amoa, Lord, super fantastic Danny Alves Amoa. On a particular Siedu, almost free Brekum Chelsea joining 2 seasons ago. Almost signed 3 years. Media Yana Mayaka is into Yama BM phone. And 3 years that was a penny in Grand Sign. Almost about 2 seasons. Sadiana Samba Diako free. Kamara Diako free. Pitami do Aqua free. Asante Kotoko board way, so I'm not now Japan. Me start this season now. I can bet my last coin. Come on, dollars I can get some last dollar maybe. Sir, if we start the 2026-2027 season, I was Japan what can change the season, the weekend of 4th and 7th of September next year.
Yeah.
Yenya shots and Abu Japan Yakiki boss a womb. Patrick I said we run it down the contract with Kotoko. No damn penny fast no call. Lord Amon crowd will pra. The season about shots here almost be 2 you and you are Rebefino. By the time you have season every year. No mbeko free. But these are not talents of the players who go free. Age I won't go that way side. Age in 2021 there. Your players are going forward. You need these players. And how they are quite and a bottom winning boy making and your pepe and your campaign more busy as than your contract. So I got a supporter. Now, Lord, I'm one a particular do. Say, purpose here, I stand your contract you. A bear will move on. Say, young woman, quiet, told you why. No, not talk as I was here, told you why. I believe some penny. Kotoko board and for market and cost 2 renewals. Some renewals are better than some new signings. 2010 Carlo Ancelotti be coach Chelsea no Samukaya.
Yeah.
No buy na my crazy pra. Enti January transfer window no. And I say what no and Ancelotti call press conference on say any signing or say yes or my one important sign. No Musa say why was Asian I extended the contract with Chelsea Bobokuno. And that is the biggest signing at Chelsea beat by. As one extending could we a contract at the moment. I was your person example.
Richard Pepe shall raise the fella man.
Mammy Jonathan Sowah, Jonathan Sowah. Some kind Jonathan Sowah. Jonah Ejini Diwa Mediama, season a Mediama a ball, CAF Champions League, you know. We are no transfer branch. And now we are not Jonah Ewo Tanzania, no. Younger, Simba.
Younger.
And a branch, you know. Simba supporters, let's walk on bribe. Mokai. Say what Buffy was a penny.
Oh, okay.
Now, Jonah Buffy and a house, penny be can need come on.
Wow.
And Accra has a folk, the Continental Club Masters.
Phobia.
And your mutual agreement with Jonah. Jonah Buffy and Robert says a phobia for no transfer ban at almost.
Okay.
And was started to say or explore the options. I was surprised about jump on
Richard Pepe shall raise.
Jonathan Mensah, Midiama Sporting Club last season. Unimza goes to your man Jebi Krao. One man just striker or Midiama 5 goals to Kra, 6 goals, 7 goals. Oh, season. Now, Branch was here, Kadiama Midiama pay. Abraham Moses Amapaka, president of Midiama Football Club, my brother. what is Jonah Abafie ne ho da kwan na e na contact abranche no etimi no ka say Mediama Sporting Club e pese wo mo eyi has fufu so nam ewe
Wow.
because nka phobia for ni abre epedi no but Mediama for na ballroom and they are offering a bigger salary to Jonathan Sowah me no ka say busapanyi Mediama for no from the jaws of Asante Kotoko. I was a person, my champion.
Richard Pepe Charest.
Mijina Mediama Kotoko has a folk. For branch anything, I did a check dogly at 2 pages or so. Ye dogly a chepa and come in quotation. Menzo said was it describe a boy no.
Wow.
But Akroma de call. China Modio Kumasi, Omini, and Jagrobams of my Nibida. Near Wagubi, I go phone pa chimpe. China Muya chimpe da on. Because that chose all your chimpo, which my boama. Baby, I got on chimpe.
The great Kosifu, you don't know.
I was trying to be the chimpa, forward you no beer or the chimpe.
There's a chim.
Mediama Vogus who chimco, Omu chim. One of the Champions League. We are has and a cotton. I pushes over Africa. I have pushy for African slot. Your bosses in your beer. Me no na African. I say has ne kotoko. Yes, I'm quadani to me opportunity. And then Mediama for no. Medica catches on Tomfuzi Taylor at Neko Dynamo Zagreb. One number Tom Salim Adams. Yen Salim near my Chidogli. Salim Adams,
the fella man.
Answer Mediama talk Kamaradim Mahmudu at Neko Ahila. Omduman.
Yeah.
Kamaradim Mahmudu Koy and Yagana from Komunya Bimono. What boss and I and Yakrom there, young Wapani and wouldn't born a ball.
Yeah.
And almost an acro Timona, a Quabina Nisha goes, Mumiano. Most of strikers, Ampa, Mediama Timno, goes to Nefri, Salim Ane Kamadi. Menoka say Salim Adams, a subject of transfer from the Sudanese giants. And we already said the penny. One more air of a big. Ediafa a branch of the Salim Adams. Because some Mediama for him is a Ometmaluzu Salim Adams in Tino. Mediama Omadikan Luzu Fuzi Taylor.
Yes.
Obetmaluzu Salim Adams. Omono Diamianu Amadia Tokrataso. Somebody replaces our 2 players. No. A Chet Dogley. And a branch of the Kofi Tompuo. Tompuo the Makati Kotoko, Eden of Anaqua. A Bessan will be our Amanaku. And the Al Hilal on Duman, Babafa, a branch of the thing at Salim Adams. Almost for Salim Adams are Salim Adams replacement, H. Dogley. Now, H. Dogley, Kotoko interested by no pay. But Kotoko Makatas and Yoma moving 10 times. Mediama for any a branch of finding agreement. Less than 30 minutes ago, I agree.
Wow.
As at and run come on with Diano. Now, branch of NG's Casamin Tomb. Yeah, studio. Maybe Trano Akasei, H. Dogley, on a team and the at Mediama and Nentorage, no finding agreement. One more and a mutual understanding. Say, Sikasamo, number of years or be able to done. Answer Cotton has his own signing on fee. But on my salary, Cassia.